Hi everyone. In this Navisworks Manage color setting tutorial, I will show you how to change selection and highlight colors in Navisworks Manage. Click this arrow button if you select any pipe here and my color is red. If you want to change this highlight color to another color, we have to click on here Navisworks and click on option and you will find this option editor. There is another way to open this option editor. Press F12 key from your computer and then option editor will be opened with the help of F12 key. Here we have to click on interface and then click on selection, and here you can change the color. I will change this color to aqua. Okay. Now if I will select this pipe, the color will change to aqua, highlighted color. Now onwards, this aqua color will be show in your screen when you select any item or component in the model. And to change this yellow color to another color, how we can change this color? I will select this item here and let's say this pipe. Now you want to change color of yellow to, let's say, green. Right click here, click on override items, click here override colors, and here you select a green. Okay, and this color change to green in your Navisworks Manage file, but the selection color remain as a aqua. So you can override any color in Navisworks Manage. Now I will click here on the structure. Let's this one, right click here, click override items, override colors, and I will change to this color. The color will be changed in the model. So in this way we can change selection color and other general color in Navisworks Manage.